everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing good and you're doing great at home. So here is your teacher Freddy, and this is Pratom 2. This one is Pratom 2. Today we are going to study about nice weather, but we are going to look at the clothes to wear, clothes to put on when the weather is chilly, cold or hot. Okay, good. So our topic is nice weather, and under nice weather we are going to study about clothes, what we put on. Okay, good. So before we start, we are going to have a warm-up song, 2 warm-up songs. So kindly please listen and sing along, and then from there we will proceed into our lesson. Okay, so here we go.
How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it rainy today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today? Let's look outside. Is it snowy today? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today?
If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Dream English kids. Cool. Do 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 do. Today I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shoes. Do 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 do. What are you wearing? These are some things that you might be wearing. A t-shirt, a sweater, a skirt, a dress, a hat, shorts, jeans, a superhero suit. What? Do 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 do. Today I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing. What are you wearing? Do 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 do.
Okay, nice. I hope you enjoyed the song and you liked it, and also you learned something from it. So now we are going to proceed to our lesson, and we are going to play an audio. So you are going to listen, point and read aloud. Listen, point and read aloud. So now, before I play for you the audio, I'm going to read for you. Then you can listen, point, and repeat. So this one, number one, we have sweater, sweater. Then number two, we have socks, socks. Number three, we have shoes, shoes. And then number four, we have hat, hat. Number five, we have trousers, trousers, or you can also call it pants. Okay, good. Then the sixth one, we have shirt, shirt, shirt. Okay, and the last one, we have dress, dress. Okay, now, so I'm going to play for you the audio. So kindly please listen, point, and repeat or read aloud. Kindly. Okay, so here we go.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and read aloud.
Sweater, socks, shoes, hat, trousers, shirt, dress.
Okay, very good. So now we are going to proceed and look into this vocabulary one by one. Okay, so here we go. So number one, we have sweater, sweater, sweater. Then number two, we have socks, socks, socks. And then number three, we have shoes, shoes, shoes. Okay, then the next one, we have hat, hat, hat. And then the next one, we have trousers, trousers, trousers. Okay, good. Then the next one we have is shirt, shirt, shirt. Okay, and the last one we have is dress, dress, dress. Okay, very good. So now you're going to, okay, and now we are going to look at these clothes and identify them. So kindly please look at the picture, then number the words. Okay, good. So I'm going to read for you the words, then you look at the numbers and number. Okay, so here we go. So we have here hat, sweater, shoes, shirt, socks, trousers, dress. One more time, I'm going to repeat again. So we have hat, sweater, shoes, shirt, socks, trousers, dress. So now look at the picture and number the words. Then in the next slide, I'm going to show you the answers. So can you try and do that, please? Okay, good. So once you finish that, I'm going to show you the answers in the next slide, so that you can be able to relate and see if you got the answers right. Okay, so now you can start with this first person. He has two numbers, number one, number two. So you can tell me what is number one. For example, number one is shirt. So you come and write here shirt. Okay, you write here. Then look at number 2. Can you check in the box which one is number 2? Then you got the lady next is number 3. Look at it. What is number 3? Then in the last picture we have number 4, 5, 6 and 7. So kindly do that. Then in the next slide I'm going to show you the answers. Okay, good. So are you ready? So here we go. So now, and in this slide now, these are the answers. These are the answers. Number 1 is shirt. Number 2 is trousers. Number 3 is dress. Number 4 is hat. Number 5 is sweater. And number 6 is socks. And the last one, number 7, is shoes. Okay, very good. So if you got them right, then that is very good. Okay, now we are going to proceed in the next slide. So now in this slide you are going to listen and say. So you're going to look at this picture number 1. So listen and say. I'm going to play the audio, but before that I am going to read for you. Then from there I'll play the audio for you. Okay, good. So now here we go. I am wearing a blue shirt and a green hat. I am wearing a blue shirt and a green hat. I am wearing a pink dress and orange socks. I am wearing a pink dress and orange socks. Then the last one is I am wearing a red sweater and yellow trousers. I am wearing a red sweater and yellow trousers. Okay, so now I'm going to play for you the audio. Kindly listen and say.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 3. Listen and say.
I'm wearing a blue shirt and a green hat. I'm wearing a pink dress and orange socks. I'm wearing a red sweater and yellow trousers.
Okay, very good. So now that is it. So we're going to proceed. Now in this slide we're going to have a practice. This one is an exercise. So what are you wearing? Draw yourself, then talk to a partner. So you're going to write, I am wearing a red dress and a green hat. So you're talking about yourself, okay? You're telling about yourself to your friend or to your partner or to your classmate, okay? So this is how it's going to be. I am wearing a red dress and a green hat. So kindly please practice this one, even with your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister at home, okay? Good. So we proceed. So now we are going to listen and sing. We are going to listen and sing one more time. This is all about weather. So here we go.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Exercise 5. Listen and sing.
The weather.
What's the weather? What's the weather?
weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? You can say it's sunny, it's windy, and it's hot too. It's raining, it's snowing, and it's cold too. Okay, very good. So I proceed. So now, in this slide, again, we are going to have a song. So you're going to sing, listen and sing. My clothes. My clothes. So here we go.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 5. Listen and sing.
My clothes.
I put on my socks, my socks. I take off my socks, my socks. I put on my shirt, my shirt. I take off my shirt, my shirt. I put on my dress, my dress. I take off my dress, my dress. I'm ready. Let's go!
Okay, very good. So I put on my socks, my socks. I take off my socks, my socks. I put on my shirt, my shirt. I take off my shirt, my shirt. I put on my dress, my dress. I take off my dress, my dress. I am ready. Let's go. Okay, very good. So we proceed. Okay, now in this slide, you're going to listen and mind me. So you do it like you act. Listen and do as the picture shows. Action, okay? Take off your hat, you remove. Take off your hat, you remove. Put on your shoes, you put on. Put on your shoes, okay? Very good. So you're going to listen and mind me.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 6. Listen and mime.
Take off your hat. Put on your shoes. Take off your shoes. Put on your socks.
Okay, very good. So that is it. So we proceed. Okay, now in this slide we are going to have an exercise which is very easy. So you're going to look and match. You're going to look at these pictures. We have A, B, C, D and E. We have A, B, C, D and E. So kindly please look and match. So now look at this one. I'm going to read for you the words, then you're going to match. So I'm going to read for you. Number 1, put on my shoes. Which one is put on my shoes? Good. So look at the picture and do it. Take off my socks. Take off my socks. Put on my hat. Put on my hat. Take off my sweater. Take off my sweater. Put on my shirt. Put on my shirt. Okay, good. So if you have done that, I'm going now to direct you and show you the answers in the next slide. Are you ready? Okay, so here we go. And these are the answers. So this is how the answers will look like. So if you had them clearly, this is how it is. Take off my sweater. Take off my socks. Put on my hat. Put on my shoes. And the last one we have put on my shirt. Very good. So easy. Okay. Put off, put on. Okay. Take off. Okay. Very good. So now we are going to listen to the next slide by watching a video. Then from there, we are almost finishing our lesson. Okay. Okay, now I hope you liked the story and you enjoyed it. So that's the end of our lesson, and goodbye. See you again next time. Take care, bye. Bye bye.